You know, there's absolutely nothing better than walking up a whole bunch of stairs after a crazy leg day the day before. So whoever invented this torture, thank you. We're gonna check out Ray Rush. One in the standby queue. I've used this one a couple times. Looks like there's two of them, so. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm up here in this ride and I'm kind of scared of heights, so I'm like totally freaking out right now. But I'm still gonna ride it and I'm gonna have fun.
So much fun! My wife went off that one. Cool, man.